Gainesville is home to a blend of architectural styles, from historic bungalows and mid-century homes to modern builds that showcase contemporary design. Each of these homes has unique needs when it comes to windows. While standard options work for some, many Gainesville homeowners turn to custom windows to match their home's architecture and enhance both function and style. With the right design, custom windows can transform a house into a statement piece while offering comfort, efficiency, and lasting value. Why choose custom windows? Standard windows are manufactured in fixed sizes and styles, which may not suit homes with unique layouts or distinctive architectural elements. Gainesville's variety of historic and modern homes often calls for window solutions tailored to specific shapes, proportions, and design themes. Custom windows allow homeowners to match window styles to architectural details, achieve non-standard sizes for unusual spaces, incorporate specialty glass or frame finishes. Whether you live in a historic neighborhood or a newer development, custom windows give you design freedom that standard options can't. Preserving historic charm. Many Gainesville neighborhoods feature charming older homes with intricate details and one-of-a-kind designs. Installing standard replacement windows in these homes can sometimes diminish their character. Custom windows are ideal for preserving authenticity by replicating arched or round-top windows common in older homes. Decorative grid patterns that reflect traditional craftsmanship. Wood finishes that blend seamlessly with historic trim. With custom options, you can maintain the architectural integrity of your home while upgrading to modern performance and energy efficiency. Enhancing modern designs. On the other end of the spectrum, Gainesville's newer builds often highlight clean lines, open floor plans, and large glass features. Custom windows give you the flexibility to achieve the bold, contemporary look you want. Popular options include floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in abundant natural light, expansive picture windows for panoramic views, unique shapes like trapezoids, triangles, or circles to complement modern rooflines. Custom designs allow your windows to become a focal point of your home, adding dramatic curb appeal and enhancing interior spaces. Improved energy efficiency. Gainesville's hot summers and occasional chilly winters make energy efficiency a priority. Custom windows aren't just about looks, they're also built to perform. Homeowners can choose features like low-E glass coatings to reflect heat while allowing natural light, double or triple pane glass for better insulation, gas fills and insulated frames to minimize heat transfer. These features help reduce your energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Personalized finishes and features. Custom windows give you control over every detail. From frame colors that match your home's exterior to hardware finishes that complement your interior decor, customization ensures your windows look exactly the way you want. For added functionality, you can also choose between operable designs, like casement or awning windows, or fixed styles, like picture windows, depending on whether you want ventilation, unobstructed views, or both. Professional installation for lasting results. Even the most beautifully designed custom windows won't deliver their full benefits without proper installation. Gainesville professionals ensure that your windows fit perfectly, preventing drafts, leaks, and premature wear. They also help you navigate design decisions, guiding you toward options that enhance your home's architecture while meeting your performance needs. Final thoughts. Custom windows are more than just a design choice. They're an investment in your Gainesville home's beauty, efficiency, and value. Whether you're preserving the charm of a historic property or creating a sleek modern aesthetic, custom solutions give you the flexibility to achieve your vision without compromise. With the right combination of design, energy-saving features, and expert installation, custom windows can elevate your home while ensuring comfort in every season. For Gainesville homeowners with unique architecture or specific design needs, custom windows are the perfect way to bring out the very best in your home.